Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I'm gonna show you Navratri 7th day makeup look. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I used this Fair and Lovely Fairness cream as a primer. Take a little bit amount of cream and apply evenly on face and neck. Do not apply it to a palm. Only apply with your fingers like so. Okay, after applying cream, I apply this powder for base. Okay, take the powder and apply the powder with the help of beauty blender. Okay, now I apply this Baby Lips lip balm from Maybelline. Okay, now I apply this lipstick. This is from LA18 orange color lipstick. Okay, after orange color, I apply this pink color lipstick because I want dark pink color. So I mix these two color lipsticks, orange and pink. Okay, next I used this lipstick also for my eye shades like so. Okay, next I select this movie pink eyeshadow on my Maybelline eyeshadow palette and applying on my crease. Now I apply eyeliner from Maybelline. Okay, next I apply this kohl on my eyes waterline. Okay, next I fill my eyebrows with this Lakme eyebrow pencil. So next I selected this pink color bindi for this Navratri 7th day outfit के लिए. So this is my today's makeup look, Navratri special makeup look. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you, take care.